Today, we were here celebrating all of our PSJ institutes and their leads for all of the time that they've given our students. We're very grateful for the mentorship, for the time, and for the dedication and commitment that they have towards PSJ ISD.
You demonstrate the knowledge of understanding your skill, your gift, the knowledge of giving of that gift, and then you combine that, making yourself accessible to others to demonstrate to them that they too can do what you are good at.
I think it's really important for us to take the time to recognize all of our mentors and leads because they really do contribute a lot of their time at no charge. They do it because they're passionate about helping students. They champion what we do here in PSJA, and so we're very appreciative of everything that they've done. I really want to reach out to our community, to all our PSJA family and those beyond the PSJA boundaries, and just ask you to please give of your time, help shape the lives of these young students by mentoring them and helping them learn about their particular field of study, because it really pays to be giving and to volunteer your time.